Hi guys, if you have been using Google Photos to store all your digital images to the cloud, then you will be disappointed to hear that starting from June the 1st of 2021, Google Photos will no longer allow you to have free, unlimited free, high quality photos upload to the server. You still can upload to your free storage space, which is 15 gigabytes that comes with the account. So any photos after this date, videos as well, after the 1st of June 2021, any photos that you upload will count towards your free 15 gigabyte of storage space. So this is the email I've received from Google Photos. So from now on, you no longer get free uploads in high qualities anymore. There's still 15 gigabyte, which is quite a lot for a lot of people. But for some, if you have like thousand and thousand of photos, or even 10,000 of photos or videos upload to Google Photos, from there on, you'll not be able to upload anymore. After that, you still right now you still can upload photos and videos. Google still allow you to upload. It's free, but after that date you cannot upload anymore. Now if you decide to if you're not happy about it and you decide to move to a different services, you will need to back up your photos. So Google have this service called takeout.google.com. So either on iPhone or Android, you go to this website called takeout.google.com, and in here it will allow you to back up all your photos, and then you can export it out to your device. So what you want to do is go to that site, and at the top here it allows you to export a lot of the stuff out. In this case, we just want to export photos only, so I'm going to deselect all. So you want to deselect everything, and then you want to go down to Google Photos, if I can find it somewhere in here. So just keep going until you find photos. I might have missed it, so let's start again. You can see there's quite a lot of things that you can export. So let's have a look. There it is, Google Photos. So you want to select Google Photos, and then what you want to do is go down and tap on the next step, and then you can choose the frequency. So we're just going to export once, and then you can choose what zip format that you want. It's either in zip format or TGZ, and then you can choose the file size. The default is 2 gigabyte. So here, export larger than this size will be split into multiple files, and from here you can tap on the create export button, and then you cannot export straight away. It might need to go through a process. So you can see here, so your files are currently being prepared. This process can take a long time, so depending on how many photos that you have, it may take hours or days. Once it's ready, you should see at the top here, this is the one that I have done earlier today. So once it's ready, you can simply just tap on the download button, and that will allow you to download the file. So I need to put in the password before I can download the file. Okay, I have signed in. Now I'm just have to tap on the download button, and that should allow me to download the files. So there you go. If you not happy and don't want to continue to use Google Photos, because sometimes in the future that you're going to have to pay a subscription, such as Google One, where you can store more data, more than 15 gigabytes. You can move it to iCloud if you already have iCloud. Another service that you might be able to store free photos is Amazon Prime. So if you have Amazon Prime service, you can upload to that server, and from there you can use free storage from Amazon Prime. So that's what you can do. So if you want to export it out, just go to takeout.google.com and export all your photos out. It's best to do this. You don't know what's happening in the futures. You know, if they ask you to export, and if you don't do it by a certain time, you may lose all your data. Right now, you don't actually lose the data. They allow you to upload into the 1st of June next year. Now you can see this one here is actually in progress at the moment. So I only have 1.8 gigabytes, so quite small, and it's actually trying to download that files. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.